Hello everybody, welcome back to another daily update. My name is Akash and today we're going to be taking a look at Bitcoin and discuss what's happening with it and also try to anticipate the multiple scenarios that are going to develop due to the CPI announcement that is scheduled to take place in roughly another 2 hours, I think. So yeah, let's get right into it. Uh, Bitcoin, right? I've marked out a couple of important levels. Let me just go over each and every single one of them. The first thing that you have to notice is this particular range for Bitcoin, extending from 22.6K to roughly 24.2K. This range, let me just mark this here, a different color. Right, so this range has been pretty efficient. Price has been trading in this range for quite some time, with a couple of deviations above the range high and a couple of deviations below the range low. Now, an important thing is that there is a massive support confluence around this level here, extending from 22.9K to 22.7K. So there is the 200-week moving average that comes in here, the 30-day moving average, and basically the midpoint of this particular move that you see here, this rally, is also present in this particular area. So anywhere from 22,900 to 22,700, a $200 area is gonna be the deciding factor on where Bitcoin price goes next, right? So put it simply, if the price fails to move above this after a sweep of the liquidity resting below these lows, so basically this and this is a double bottom. There is liquidity resting below these lows. So I feel like regardless of the liquidity, due to the CPI announcement, which is scheduled to take place in roughly 2 hours, the price is going to undergo a massive volatility spike, in which case the price is either going to spike, like it's going to spike down and up in both the directions. So the people that are long and short here are obviously going to get stopped. So what I'm going to do is I'm not going to trade until the CPI announcement is done. So in anticipation of that announcement and the liquidity sweeps, I'm expecting the price to go down below the equal lows formed here at roughly 22.4K. Right. So once the price does go down here, it's going to be really interesting to see how the price recovers. If it's a quick recovery followed by a bounce, then you can expect the price to go all the way up to this level here, which is the FVG that is present here at 23.6K. Right, so this, in which case the trade is going to be pretty simple. Open a long position here, stop loss somewhere around here. I'm not going to decide on the stop loss right away, but my take profit level is going to be here. It's a pretty quick 2.9 for roughly 3-hour trade with a 3% upswing. So this is how I'm going to be trading, right? In the event that the price does not recover above this support area, in which case it flips it into a resistance level, then I'm expecting the price to go down here and fill the FVG present to the downside at 21.4K, in which the trade is going to be again pretty simple, something like this. I'm going to decide on the stop loss after the CPI print, so this is not a valid stop loss. So these scenarios are what I'm expecting, right? So let me just build up on each of the scenarios. The first scenario is if the price dives below the equal lows, sweeps the liquidity, and then recovers above the support area, in which case FVG is like the obvious target. Beyond that, if you look at this, right, on an H1 time frame, on a 1-hour time frame, there is another FVG up here, which was not completely filled by Bitcoin when it rallied up here. Right, so technically there is still another FVG up here. So I'm going to be targeting this level if we stay above the 50 retracement level here after reaching H1 FVG. So let me just mark this, something like this. Actually, since everything is blue, let me change this to something cool. So this is going to be the where I'm going to be compounding my position if things look good. This is compounding level 1. And in the level 2, basically, I will look for how the price reacts around this level here, which is 24.6K. So what is this level? If you look at Bitcoin price crash that took place after this particular red candle here, there was roughly a 42% downswing, I think. Yeah, 44% crash, right? If you use your fib extensions to mark out these levels, you can see that the midpoint of this crash is around 24.6K. And the last time Bitcoin price tried to move above that, it got rejected very badly, right? So I think the next level, the next place where you can compound your trade would be above 24.6k. So if the price does manage to go above 24.6k and flip it into a support floor, then your take profit levels will be around 28.6k. So let me just redraw this again. Change the color to green. Actually, let's change it to black. Cool. So this is how the bullish outlook could go from here, right? Everything depends on how price reacts to 24.6k, right? If not, like I mentioned, my initial my TP1 or take profit level 1 would be here at 23.6k. Take profit level 2 would either be 24.3k or 24.6k, right? Let's get into what's gonna happen if the price fails to break above this or recover above this support area. In which case, obviously, the FEG at 21.4k will be the level where I'm going to be booking profits. Beyond that, we have equal lows at 20.8k, which is where my second profit level would be. That's it. Here, I'm going to wait to see how the price reacts, because the price could continue falling lower and sweep the low here. But that is an unlikely scenario, and I would need more data to kind of predict if that's going to happen. So that is pretty much it for today, guys. If you enjoyed this analysis, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. You can click the link in my Twitter bio. It will take you to my YouTube channel here. Make sure to subscribe and click on the bell icon. If you want to know how I trade the CPI announcement, please make sure to go ahead and join my Telegram group, which is also present in this link here. Have a great day. Stay safe. Peace.